Here at Andrel Education, we believe every child has the potential to become fully numerate. Back in 2008, Ben Harding joined us, and together we set out on a mission to create a simple framework of learning steps. This was the start of Big Maths. Big Maths focuses on these 4 areas: assessment, planning, teaching, and tracking. So how do I teach Big Maths? Big Maths is unique because it splits the maths curriculum into 2 parts: core knowledge and wider maths. Children always acquire core knowledge before applying it to wider maths. This ensures children approach all problems with the skills and confidence needed to succeed. We call this process Get It, Then Use It. Let us take the calculation 58 plus 76. This is learning step 25 of the addition skill. I can solve any 2-digit plus 2-digit number. As children journey through school, they will first learn how to count to 8 and then count on 6 more, progressing to the instant recall of number facts. Big Maths identifies just 72 to be learnt by the age of 9, and that includes all the multiplication tables. Early on, children are encouraged to discover that 5 things plus 7 things will always be 12 things. So, if they can do 5 plus 7, they can do 5 tens plus 7 tens, 50 plus 70. It's nothing new. A child first learns how to apply all this knowledge to solve the question on paper, gradually building up to the brain-only moment. Now the child has got it, they can start to use it. The learning step is secured through spaced practice sessions, before a child begins to use their knowledge to explore wider and deeper contexts. How do we guarantee this happens? We've identified every skill a child needs before they move into secondary education and broken them down into small learning steps. We've then taken these learning steps and created focused resources and teacher notes. This empowers teachers to focus their efforts on the steps they need for the next lesson, significantly reducing teacher workload and further developing subject knowledge. How does this apply to my curriculum? When we created the Big Maths framework, we chose not to be constrained by the expectations of any curriculum. We knew this would allow us to provide a framework that no one else can. We then took the Scottish, English and Welsh curriculum expectations and created termly maps. These show when to teach a learning step for each curriculum. So when the curriculum changes, we simply update these maps, meaning there is no need to buy a mountain of updated resources and retrain. Finally, how is this all assessed and tracked? We've created fun weekly progress checks in which children are challenged to beat their best ever score. These Beat That challenges are your summative and formative assessment tool, and every question is linked to a step in the framework. This informs a teacher of the most granular of gaps in learning and shows which children have embedded a learning step. Let's imagine a framework that ensures a teacher knows exactly where each child is on their learning journey, knows what to teach next, and knows that there are no gaps in learning. That is Big Maths. We are on a mission to get every child fully numerate, and we want you to join us.